Our next question that we often hear is, I have so many different pieces of marketing that I have to deal with, and it is expensive. How do I handle that? Is there any way to fix that? Mike, what do you think?
Absolutely, Jeff. And thanks for sharing that value on reactivating the patients. Now, when it comes to software subscriptions, if you're like me, maybe you sometimes have shiny thing syndrome, right? Somebody reaches out to you with a software and they say, hey, if you use this to market your business, you're going to get and grow your business using that tool. And what's the result? Well, the result is if we're actually doing all the pieces, right, all the different moving parts that we've been discussing with your marketing program, you have all these software in place and you're using them, right? You have an email marketing software that's already ready to go, something like MailChimp. That comes at a cost. You have a text messaging system. That's expensive. You have a website chat. Many are using Dear Doc. Well, that's a whole nother cost. You have Demand Force for managing reviews or some other review management tool. You have appointment booking if you're taking appointments online, requests. You have CallRail for tracking or some other system. Then you got website, you got landing pages, you got funnels if you're using them properly, and then you got local listing. Well, all that adds up to as much as $1,200 or more a month just in software. That doesn't include the marketing services. That's just the software that you need in order to market your business. So here's an exercise for you. Go to page 5 of your workbook and complete the subscription evaluation page. And we'll just take a moment, write down all the different types of software that you're using in your practice that you use for marketing, email, SMS, landing pages, your website. And then just next to that, write down the cost. How much are you spending on that every month or every year? And then we're going to talk about the solution. So make sure you write all those down, add up the total cost, see what that's running you. And then we're going to talk about ways that we can save you some money on just your software subscription for marketing. What is the solution? Well, the solution that we like is called MyDC. It's an all-in-one marketing solution, and it helps chiropractors do all those different things for a much lower price point, right? It accomplishes all the same things that all those tools do, only it rolls them all into one spot, one software, one low monthly fee, and it does all the same marketing steps that are required in order to properly market your business. So what are some of the features? One, it's a complete CRM. There's two-way communication, not just one-way text messaging, but two-way business text messaging, Facebook messaging, Google My Business messaging, you name it messaging. It all flows in and ties in this one tool, so you don't have to jump around to message your patients or customers that try to reach out to you. You have a website chat widget all built in that connects and allows your patients to text your practice from your website chat widget, and you can respond to them. Has email marketing, review generation, review management, landing pages, online payment system, all integrated into one really cool tool, as well as provides analytics. So you can see at any given time how well your ads are performing, how many leads you're getting, what stage is a patient in when they're moving through your practice. As well as appointment booking. I didn't mention that yet. So really it's fully featured. So what's the price point? How much is this going to cost me? Well, a better question is, how much is this going to save you? If you're already spending somewhere around $1,000 or $1,200 a month, what if we dropped that price down to $297 a month and we rolled everything in to one tool that would do everything for you? Well, using this example, that's a savings of $900. That's $900 cash that you can put back into either your marketing program, your marketing investment, or some other aspect of your practice. Why waste it on software that you just don't need?